Big thanks to Kamado Joe for sponsoring this episode.
I got a lot of complaints lately saying that I don't make enough fish. So we're making fish, Marcin.
It's that easy.
Yeah, because I love fish. Absolutely love it. Look at it. Salmon. And we're gonna do it barbecue style. We're staying true to barbecue, but we're smoking fish. Oh, we're gonna make bites. Bites, like these small little bites, but I'm going to show you how to do it perfectly because there's kind of a science to cooking salmon. It would be awesome if you give this video a big thumbs up or a comment and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit that notification button because if you do, you help us out. It helps the algorithm, it blows up our channel, which is freaking awesome. And for all of you who've done it already, big thank you. Now let's fire up our Kettle Joe. The Kettle Joe is absolutely perfect to smoke salmon on. That's why we got the slow roller inside in place, and it's going to give us a low temperature with a high distance between the charcoal and the grill grates. I'm loading it up with charcoal, adding fire starters, and once the charcoal is lit, I'm going to place in the heat deflector, then the grill grates. And now I'm going to close the lid and set the vents so it's going to be smoking at a temperature of 100 degrees Celsius. I got a beautiful piece of sustainable farmed salmon and I'm going to cut it into cubes because we're making bites. Real barbecue bites that you can hand out while people are enjoying a glass of wine or having a chit chat, maybe a beer. But with a fillet like this, you got a piece of the belly that is really thin. That's not going to work out. So what we're going to do is take that off first. And the funny thing is, it actually tastes amazing. This is where the most fat is. So that's going to be for us, the Pitmasters. This is going to be our little treat. I'll put this on the side and then I'm going to cube up this salmon. Carving it in half first. There we go. Into nice bite-sized chunks. The farm-raised salmon has an immense amount of fat and that makes it really tasty. Exactly why people love it so much. You know who else loves salmon more than anything? Guess. Getting woken up with a big fat piece of salmon in front of your nose? I bet she was having a big magical dream of swimming with the salmon, standing in a wild river and just attacking them like a wild bear. Was that good? You like that? It's good, right? Yeah. Now we know that the salmon is good, we're going to make it even better with this beautiful rub. It consists of 1 part salt, 1 part curry powder, 1/4 part garlic powder, 1/4 part onion powder, 1/4 part sumac, 1/4 part ground black pepper. Now shake it up and then it's ready to sprinkle on your beautiful salmon. This is going to transform your salmon into a nice Eastern Asian style of flavor. It's going to complement the flavor profile of the salmon. Before I can place my salmon onto the Kettle Joe, I first have to add my smoke wood. And what the cool thing is about our slow roller is that it is a section which we can lift out. And now it's very easy to add smoke wood. I'm adding cherry smoke wood and that's going to work really well with our salmon. Slow roller back on, salmon on, and make sure that you have a gap in between every bite of salmon so that the smoke can touch every part of the salmon and make it taste even better. The biggest advantage of doing it this way is that we didn't waste any smoke wood. The smoke wood is just starting when the salmon is in, and now we're getting a clean, beautiful smoke with a good flavor profile. Now we gotta be quick because even though we're smoking at a low temperature, it's gonna go so fast. The salmon is done when it reaches a core temperature of 45 degrees Celsius, and that's nothing, man. That's like, boom, instant. So we're making a barbecue sauce to brush on top of it. I'm gonna put in a little bit of ketchup, 1 part, and then half a part of hoisin sauce. To that I'm going to add 1 part of honey and 1/4 part of coarse mustard to give it some texture. 1 tablespoon of our barbecue rub. Or let's just say 1/8 part of our barbecue rub, and then mix it up. Now that's a beautiful glaze. Let's put this on our salmon before it's cooked already. You can clearly see that the egg whites are popping. That means it's almost done, because egg whites start popping at 65 degrees Celsius. So what we're basically having is a little bit too much heat coming from the bottom, but I can see that the sides and the top side is not fully cooked yet. So we're brushing on that beautiful glaze, that hoisin glaze. And all we need to do is hit it on the top, let the smoke catch on to the sides, and just flavor the top. I'm gonna close the lid and I'm gonna give them a few more minutes until they're done. Oh, this is gonna be so good. You're gonna love this salmon recipe. It's been too long.
It's been
Like at least
a couple
4 months.
longer. I think like 7.
No.
But salmon,
Salmon,
it might
baby.
be even 2 years.
No. 2 years?
Yeah.
I barbecue salmon a lot,
Yeah.
but not on the video.
And you guys screwed that up
Yeah.
because they don't want to watch it.
You didn't hit that
No,
like button enough. You gotta smash it. It's gotta be
Yeah.
destroyed.
Yeah.
If you
Like-
see fish and you like fish, you destroy the like button.
Yeah, because
You're terrorizing.
we really like this.
Even
and we
if-
would love to do it a lot.
Yeah.
We haven't had proof for a long time that you guys like fish, but here everybody likes fish.
All right,
Right.
I think we should change it up,
Yeah.
because there's one person that likes fish more than anyone. It's the dog.
It's a dog.
I think we should feed her first,
Yeah.
for a change.
Come on.
You don't like the hoisin sauce? What's wrong with it? What's going on?
It's like it's too tender. It just falls apart. She doesn't know where to start. Yeah. Good job.
You think she's going back for the last piece?
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, already. She's already back.
Now she knows.
That's
Oh
quick.
boy,
Oh
this is
boy.
good.
Oh boy.
Now it's our turn, Morrison. Come on, let's go
Alright.
before the dog eats the whole plate.
Here we go.
There you go.
Beautiful.
Cheers. You can make any salmon taste good, texture-wise, by smoking it slowly. And you could go like 100 degrees Celsius, you could go 90, you could go 80, but don't go above 100. If you go above 100, you go too fast.
You know, I'm really surprised by how subtle the hoisin sauce is. It's definitely there.
This is so good. You just gotta check out the recipe. It's on our website, pitmasterx.com. The link's down below. It's freaking amazing.
Yeah, you gotta make this.
I'm gonna let the dog lick the plate. There you go, girl.
Man.
This is freaking insane.
Yeah.
Why did I make so little?
Yeah, I'm not done with it. I wanna keep on getting hints of what I just tasted. I
Yeah.
wanna have that.
It's not the same.
It's not the same.
It's not the same. It all comes together
Yeah.
when the heat comes in from the smoke and the flavors start blending.
Yeah.
The juiciness and the softness of the salmon. It's like a whole thing. It's an experience.
There's no way that if you're a fish hater, because I know who you are, you're fish haters, there's no way you're gonna hate this. No way.
Fish haters?
Yeah. You have these fish haters.
Seriously.
A lot of them. My girlfriend is a fish hater.
No.
Yeah. Fish is just a beautiful thing.
Fish is a beautiful thing. I love you, fish.
We also like you, the subscribers and the YouTube members and the
course we like them.
Patreons.
Of course we like them, but they know. It's a
But
thing.
You
Oh,
gotta tell them.
Yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video.
I did.
Yeah. Thank you
did.
for watching. Big thanks to our patrons and the YouTube members. See you
I just told them.
I'm trying to finish the
I
video, but you're
incorporated
making this.
in my story.
Well, we gotta finish the video. I don't know why.
Hope to see you guys next time.
You can be with us in the vlog, so make sure you subscribe to the vlog.
Yeah.
But now we're not finishing the video again.
Because there's a lot of things you can see in the vlog, because it's like, this is one part of it, but it's way more.
There's a lot more. You can see everything behind the scenes, what's going on, but you gotta subscribe to the channel too.
Yeah.
And then
we
we're gonna
would
let you see.
love to have a fan base over
Oh.
there.
Yeah. And there's some like big failures happening behind the scene, from things going wrong, like major things happening that don't make this video.
Yeah.
And yeah, well,
It's not all perfect.
but I don't want this video to end.
No. I also
This
have
was so
another.
short.
I have another thing to say.
How long did this take?
If you guys make this at home, then show us
Oh, on Instagram
on
story.
Instagram stories, or I don't know. Look for a way to share this.
We'd love for you guys to share it on Instagram stories and then tag us. We'll repost your story.
Yeah, definitely. I would love to say a big timeline that I
Only
can
salmon.
keep on pushing, like salmon
Saturday.
Salmon
Saturday.
Salmon Saturday.
We could have Salmon Saturday.
Okay, now close off.
Thank you for watching. Hope to see you guys next time. Until then,
Eet smakelijk.
and keep on grilling.